Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. This is your brother Saad Tasleem. I want to speak to you about the last 10 days of the month of Ramadan. These 10 very, very important days of the whole year, and also obviously the month of Ramadan. The Prophet ﷺ, we know that he would strive and work very hard in the last 10 days of the month of Ramadan. And the narration actually says that he would tighten his lower garment. And that's a way to say that he would work extra hard. Not only that, the Prophet ﷺ would also encourage his family to work hard in the last 10 days of the month of Ramadan, as we know that the Prophet ﷺ would wake up his family to pray qiyam, the night prayer. And this shows us how we should be in the last 10 days. Look, you may have slacked in the first 10 days and then the next 10 days, but give it your all in the last 10 days of the month of Ramadan. We know that our reward can be multiplied in the last 10 days. So we can do less but be rewarded for more. We also know that the last 10 days contains Laylatul Qadr. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala tells us that Laylatul Qadr khayrun min alfi shahr, that the night of Qadr, the night of decree or the night of power, is better than 1,000 months. What that means is that a single night, the reward that we would gain on a single night, can be better or multiplied by 1,000 months. And that shows you how much more reward we can get. A small deed can go so very, very far. And so that is one of the reasons why we work so hard in the last 10 days. Every single deed that we may think of as an insignificant deed can actually become immediately very, very significant. So whatever you can do, whether it is your charity, that $1 gets multiplied so much, that or that £1, depending on where you are, that 1 hour spent helping someone, that 10 minutes spent helping someone, realize that all of this is being multiplied multifold. And that is why I urge you and myself to work hard in these last 10 days of the month of Ramadan, and Allah knows best. Jazakumullahu khaira. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Alhamdulillah, we are happy to announce the launch of the One Islam TV app. Watch hundreds of high-quality produced Islamic reminders, Quran learning videos, stories of the prophets, and so much more. 2 new videos uploaded daily, inshallah. Watch videos on demand, or download videos and watch offline. No more annoying ads or pop-ups. 100% safe browsing for your peace of mind. Watch or listen to lectures and lessons while you work, rest, or drive with your device switched off. One Islam TV is 100% run and owned by Muslims, which means the small amount you pay for your subscription is a SADAQAH JARIYAH, continuous charity for you, as we use the funds raised to continue producing more beneficial videos and reminders, inshallah. The One Islam TV app is now available on Apple devices, Apple TV, Android devices, Android TV, Amazon Fire TV, and Roku, so you can watch on most devices and smart TVs. Download now for a free 7-day trial. May Allah reward you for supporting our work.